Barry, thank you again for your time on the phone yesterday. Again, I stated I received your die in. Okay, here's your die. And I'm going to cut the fur type material that you had sent in. And you had sent it in with the, there was an arrow on it pointing up. I'm going to have that facing towards the handle. Okay, so the way this is going to work, I have the cutting board is mounted to the top. Okay, now I've mounted it with these clamps. However, there are mounting holes in all four corners, so you can actually mount that with bolts and wing nuts if you'd like. I use the clamps because I change back and forth a lot, and it just makes it easy to switch it back and forth. So we're going to cut die blade up from the bottom. So we're going to take the die, and I'll use it this way since you put the handle on there. We'll slide it in with the handle, okay, and we will cut it out. I'm going to hold it just for a second here. All right, so then we'll pull the material out, and you'll notice that they all cut, okay? So if you look in there, you can see that all of them cut out, but they didn't fall out because, you know, as we stated, the die is actually what they call nicked, so the pieces did not come out. So I'll send all that back to you intact, okay? Now that was the one that had the arrow facing forward. Now this time you have the arrow pointing to the left, so I'm going to lay this piece on there with the arrow pointing to the left. And again, we're cutting fur side down, okay? So we will slide everything in. We'll cut. I'm going to hold it just for a couple seconds here. And then I'll pull everything out. Now that one looks like it's stuck on the inside. That's no big deal though. Okay, so this piece again, it cut just fine, and as you can see, all the pieces stayed intact there because of the way that the die is nicked. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to send you this video link, and then I'll go ahead and send the cut samples back to you, and I'll give you a call to discuss. Thanks, Barry.